Hi there, a very good morning, good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This simply talks with another video, and this time around, we are going to analyze Indraprasth gas and as to how the results have been and where the stock could go. I believe that the results were decent, and especially where the stock is at the moment. So we'll discuss that. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. And I'm not a portfolio advisor, and I'm not a member of NSE and BSC, and that I'm not an official portfolio advisor. These are all my personal opinion, and this is all for educational purposes. And whatever I have learned over the last 11, 12 years being in the market, I'm discussing this all with you and imparting that knowledge through videos to all of you. So whatever financial decision or investment decision you take, kindly do consult your financial advisor and then take a call on the same. Before I talk about Indraprasth gas, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. And once you do that, to help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions, seek out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. If you cannot pay on Patreon, you can definitely pay on YouTube by becoming a member there, or you can be a member on WhatsApp as well by emailing me, and you can become a yearly member there. And if you pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. If you want a detailed discussion with me one on market on stocks, you can directly email me and we can have that with a fee. Now let me take you to the screener website and let's discuss about Indraprasth gas. So basically, the company is into gas distribution and installation of, you can say, CNG gases. It was incorporated in 98 and is in the business of city gas distribution in the national capital region, that is Delhi NCR. And IGL also supplies the gas to the nearby regions of Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, Hapur, Gurgaon or Gurugram, Meerut, Shamli, Kanpur, Muzaffarnagar, and other places. So it is a leading player in the city gas distribution along with MGL. So there are two players in here in terms of business segments. When we talk about, they are into selling natural gas in different forms, piped natural gas, that is PNG, they are into compressed natural gas, that is CNG, and they are into natural gas for commercial and industrial usage, that they also work into. So they're into three segments altogether, and they receive bulk order from armed forces. So IGL has bagged a bulk order from armed forces to convert their canteens, langars, you have offices, mess, and other establishments from LPG to PNG. So that's one of the biggest orders that they have received over time. They have also got backward integration. Plans are in pipeline for backward integration through you can say setting up of gas meter manufacturing unit in India. They're also into that. They're into consulting services. So that's one thing, and they are expanding into, you can say, they have an expansion plan for which they have spent around 1370 crores into it, which should come into being by this year or so. So that is what IGL does. Whole of their business is in India. The market cap of the company is around 34,000 crores. So it's a decent mid cap company, currently trading at a P of 24. Now, what is interesting is its peer is trading around 13, 14 times, and that is why people are liking that MGL to IGL. And another reason here is that the results comparatively were not that bad, not that good compared to what MGL produced. So currently having an ROE of 20 and a PE of 23, the stock is trading around 484 or so, which is a reasonable level to look at the moment. Now coming to the results part, the company produced in the March quarter, which was just gone by. The results came a week two back, and they had sales of around 3690 crores, 3690 crores versus 2400 crores, which was a decent jump, but margins contracted. So in March they had margins of 21%, and so they produced an operating profit of 500 crores, whereas this time around the profit came in around 8% lower or so at 466 crores, or some 7% lower. They had another income of 133 crores that boosted the bottom line number. Even then, we had a situation where the profit before tax was at least 12% lower than last year, and eventually net profit also came out to be much lower, 10% lower than last year. So the numbers weren't that great, and that is why the stock fell from around 510, 515 all the way to 470. And if you see here, and so the stock fell to 465, 470 post results, and now is stabilizing. What I believe is that we have some sort of floor around 460, 465, where the valuations become better, but overall numbers have been okay. Now margins did dip here because of higher competition, and there have been other causes uh, that was coming in, but hopefully going forward that should curtail. Reserves have increased over the years, and it's a nearly debt free company. Just 83 crores of debt is there, so virtually debt free altogether. In terms of shareholding pattern, we have a situation where promoter hold around 45% of the stake. FIIs have increased stake actually over time to 21.2%. DIIs have also increased stake till March, and it was the public shareholding that has come down from around 12% to 8.2%. So FII DIIs are bullish on this space. They have increased stake in MGL, they have increased stake in IGL. Now, what lies ahead? In my opinion, what I believe is that around 460, if you get a chance, 5-7% decline from current levels, because the numbers were not that great. If you get a chance around 460, I think it will be a very good level to accumulate. This is a decent long term consistent 15-17%, 15-16%. It could make you over the years a decent mid cap, a safe mid cap to buy into. May not extend it that much, but a good dividend yield of 2.5% you'll get here. Plus, I'm sure that the stock should appreciate. So this was a video on IGL. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post.